Hello, today you're going to be working on TinkerCAD. This is the 3D design software I was talking about. So what you'll do is you'll go to tinkercad.com and then you're going to click, I believe, sign in. I hope you can click sign in. If not, I'll show you what to do. And then you're going to sign in with Google and you'll choose your Google. Okay. Now, if that doesn't work, you might have to click join now. Actually, yeah, sign in should work. Okay. So sign in with Google, and that'll be perfect. So you click sign in with Google. If that doesn't work, we'll have a conversation about it, okay? It might go through a few windows like this. It's just loading stuff, making sure we're logged in correctly. You won't have any designs here, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to go up to Learn, and then you're going to see that there are all these starters. I want you to click See All Starters, so you're on this page. What I want you to do today, I want you to go through all of these starters. Now I'm going to share a checklist with you so you can check it off when you're done. Once you've gone through all these starters, now for instance, if you click on this, it's called Place It. It'll take just a moment to load. On the left side, it gives you directions. It says, welcome to TinkerCAD. We're excited to have you with us. And it gives you directions. You're going to scroll down, follow the directions, okay? And then you're going to click continue, which I'm guessing, let's see. All right, so it says, see the orange shape in the work plane. That's a hint to help guide you. So this is not an actual shape. It says find the box shape in the shapes panel on the right side. Left click and drag it to that spot. All right. So then you should be able to click continue. Now you might have to, right here, you're going to click next. And then it says you did it. Great. Click done. Now you can click continue. It moves on to the next. Okay. Once you've finished all the starters, then I want you, now you can always go back by going here. Once those starters are complete, you're going to click on Learn again, then click on Lessons, see all lessons, and I would like you to go through all of these lessons. Now, by the end of this, you are going to have a lot of skills in 3D design. The way it starts, you click the first one. I want you to start at the first one, make your way across, okay? You click on the first one, and then it says, and then yours will probably say start project. Mine is restart because I've already done it, okay? Then it will open by clicking right here. You can click start. If there wasn't a restart project, don't worry about it. And then it has directions, just like you've been reading. In this lesson, you learn to design a cool pair of beauty glasses. You go through it, you follow the directions, and if it looks right, then you've learned how to do it. Obviously, this does not. I did not follow the directions, okay? So that's pretty much it. So you're going to be working through all those. Remember to always get back. You can just click TinkerCAD dashboard and then go to learn. All right, and then lessons. Now, I want you, as you play around with this, you're going to start seeing some other options, okay? You're going to see, especially on this learn section, where you can change this. I don't want you working on these yet, okay? I will give you the opportunity to work on those, but I want you to work on the 3D design first. If you need help, ask the person next to you. If they can't help you, maybe ask another person. If they can't help, I'm more than happy to help you, okay? Awesome. So good luck. Enjoy.